Hello guys, welcome to your second step to become Git and GitHub done. Yeah. So today I'm going to walk you through Git configuration. So quickly, let's go to our Git bash terminal. And in our Git bash terminal, let's simply type git help. So Git bash comes with a couple of commands that will help us to work with Git locally on our machine. So here we can see we have add here, we have mv, we have restore. Add is for adding files contents to the index, and then mv is for move or renaming of files, right? And then we have restoring of working directory and then stuff. So basically we are going to work with these commands. So now let's start with the Git configuration. We want to add some credentials to our local repository, like our email and then our username, right? So let's type in git config -- global and then user.name. Then the username, I'll give my don't have. You can give it any name you want. And then press enter. And then again, let's give it an email. Git config -- global and then user.email. This one too, you can give it any username you want, but me, I'm going to give mine don't have @gmail.com. Then again, I want to style it. I want to give it some colors so that when you are working with it, you will find it easy and then comfortable with our working tree. So let's type in git config -- global, and then this time around color.ui, and I want to give it auto. So now let's type in git config to see some of the configuration commands we have, and then press enter. Alright, so here we go. These are some of the commands we have on our terminal. And first of all, we have the -- global, which we have been using so far. Then here I want us to look at these ones. We have the -l and then -- list. You can use any of them to list all. We want to list all the details of our repository now. So let's type in git config -l, and here we go. So these are the default settings we have now, and then down here we made some changes to our details. First of all, we gave it a username which is don't have, right? And then we also gave it an email which is don'thave@gmail.com, for which yours can be a different thing, and your username too can be a different thing. And then we also gave it a color which we said we want it to be auto, right? So we are done with the configuration. Next step is to add files, then remove files, and also push files from our local repository onto our GitHub repository. Thank you for being with me. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and then join this community.